got you something, just in case. Grab that first one.
Ew,
Well, you could do some serious damage with this. Look. You can pick up stick with it. You can use it as like a pickup stick.
You gotta let me show you dating.
We're going to the other tunnel right now. Come on. I just want to say I trust you.
You should never trust anyone.
And if you attempt to kill me while we're down here, I promise you.
No, you'll be safe today.
Okay, I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Just in case. I do know a little bit of martial arts, and I do know how to box and street fight.
Hell yeah, that's good. That's how you gotta be.
Okay, the light got
Echo! No, nobody ever taught me right.
If you hear anything unusual and it doesn't sound like some shit right say, and I did not hear you, but you feel my voice and it's kind of weird or off.
Oh, it's too dark now.
Okay?
Hell yeah.